Alright, let's start with the weekly time frame analysis because, honestly, this is where the most significant pattern development is occurring. The inverted head and shoulders formation on JASMY's weekly chart represents months of accumulation and distribution that's finally resolving to the upside. This pattern typically indicates a major trend reversal from bearish to bullish sentiment. The neckline break on this pattern would target significantly higher price levels, but what makes this setup particularly compelling is the volume confirmation we're seeing during the formation. Unlike many failed breakouts that occur on declining volume, JASMY's pattern completion is happening alongside increasing participation from new holders. Now, moving to the daily time frame, we're seeing a falling wedge pattern that's compressing price action into a narrowing range. Falling wedges are typically bullish continuation patterns, especially when they form after significant downtrends. The combination of weekly trend reversal signals and daily continuation patterns creates technical confluence that serious traders recognize as high-probability setups. The broader cryptocurrency market environment is providing perfect amplification conditions for quality altcoin breakouts. Ethereum's strength near all-time highs indicates institutional confidence in cryptocurrency as an asset class, which typically flows down to well-positioned altcoin projects. This institutional confidence is crucial for JASMY because of their focus on IoT applications and data monetization. These are themes that really resonate with traditional technology investors who are, becoming more comfortable with cryptocurrency investments. When these investors see established cryptocurrencies like Ethereum performing well, they become more willing to explore altcoin opportunities with genuine utility. The Doge movement adds retail enthusiasm to the institutional confidence we're seeing in ETH. This combination creates ideal market conditions where both institutional and retail capital is flowing into cryptocurrency markets simultaneously. Quality projects like JASMY benefit disproportionately during these periods because they attract both types of capital. Market timing is everything in cryptocurrency, and the convergence of technical pattern completion with optimal market conditions creates scenarios where normal technical targets can be exceeded significantly. When breakouts occur during strong market environments, they often extend much further than traditional technical analysis would suggest. The key is recognizing when technical setups align with favorable market psychology and positioning accordingly. JASMY's current setup appears to have all the elements needed for a significant breakout that could exceed typical pattern-based price targets. Listen, if this comprehensive analysis of technical patterns combined with market context is giving you new insights into how successful trading requires multiple confirmation layers, then I need your help amplifying this educational content. Hit that like button again if you haven't already, share this video with 3 traders in your network who need to understand confluence analysis, and drop a comment below telling me, what's your favorite technical pattern for identifying breakout opportunities? I read every single comment and often feature the best insights in my follow-up analysis. While the technical setup looks compelling, successful trading requires acknowledging risks alongside opportunities. Technical patterns fail, market conditions change, and even the best setups can result in losses if risk management principles aren't followed consistently. For JASMY specifically, the main risks include broader market volatility that could invalidate technical patterns, competition in the IoT space that could affect fundamental value, and the typical altcoin volatility that can create significant drawdowns even during uptrends. However, the risk-reward profile appears favorable given current price levels and technical setup quality. The combination of weekly trend reversal signals, daily continuation patterns, and supportive market context creates a scenario where potential rewards significantly outweigh identified risks. Position sizing becomes critical in these setups. Even high-probability technical patterns should never represent more than a reasonable percentage of total trading capital. The goal is to participate in potential upside while ensuring that potential downside doesn't materially impact overall portfolio performance. Stop-loss levels should be placed below key technical support levels that would invalidate the bullish thesis. For JASMY, this means monitoring the falling wedge support and weekly pattern integrity. If these levels break down, it would suggest the technical setup is failing, and positions should be exited regardless of fundamental opinions about the project. I want to thank every member of the TJ Crypto World community for being part of this journey into technical analysis that combines chart patterns with market psychology and risk management. Your engagement, your thoughtful questions about trading strategies, your commitment to learning rather than just looking for quick tips. It motivates me to keep providing comprehensive analysis that can actually improve your trading results. JASMY's technical setup represents the type of confluence analysis that separates successful traders from those who rely on single indicators or patterns. Whether this breakout materializes as expected or market conditions change the outcome, we're equipped with frameworks to adapt and manage risk appropriately. If you want to continue learning about technical analysis and market psychology, check out my detailed breakdown of Bitcoin dominance cycles and altcoin season timing. I'll link it right here. It's a comprehensive analysis of how to identify optimal periods for altcoin positioning, and it perfectly complements today's JASMY technical review. Remember, successful trading comes from combining technical analysis with market context, risk management with opportunity recognition, and patience with decisive action when setups align. JASMY's current technical picture demonstrates these principles in action. Stay analytical, stay disciplined, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll be examining another technical setup that combines multiple confirmation signals. Until then, this is TJ from TJ Crypto World, reminding you to trade the setup, not the outcome, and always prioritize risk management over profit maximization. The next high probability trade is always one comprehensive analysis away.